Thank you very much for the kind invitation to be with you. It's a great pleasure to share our perspective from Brussels and to highlight what we are doing at the European Mortgage Federation in order to facilitate access to consumer to green mortgages. Well, the idea is very simple, trying to build a common understanding of what is a green mortgages and how banks can support consumers, borrowers to make renovation in their houses. We want to promote a green label which will be recognizable for consumer, lenders, and investors at a global level. So everyone seeing this label will recognize that that financial product will help you in making your house better and improve your house. Why this is important? Because if we convince you that renovating your house is important, most probably we know that you will save money, your property value will increase, and the pollution of your city where you live will be improved. So it's a win-win process, and we would like to highlight together with you today why it's so important to take action as soon as possible. First of all, banks can really help in getting a systemic approach and make this a scalable effort that can help the entire European landscape to get a benefit for a new financial system. This new financial system should be attentive to sustainable needs and to green parameters. This, as I said, should be seen as a 360-degree project covering the life of consumer till the life of investors, because it's only one big cycle, and we need to start from your house and finishing in the portfolio of insurance, institutional investors that are willing to protect their portfolio from a climate risk, a climate change risk. So we need to work together, not only at the national level, but we need to work at the European level, at the global level. That's a huge challenge with a huge level of complexity. How we can manage this complexity? Well, we are trying to give common parameters, as I said, an energy efficiency mortgage label, which will identify a clear financial instrument that can help you. Well, this financial instrument should try to address a few challenges. Should try to give you exactly the money that you need to renovate your house and make a jump of two energy category, which is called energy performance certification. If you do these two jumps, we can help you in saving between 50 and 70% of your energy bill. And you know how it's important now when we have a huge increase of energy cost. We all know that at the end of this quarter, your energy bill will increase probably between 35 or 40%. So it's in all your interest to trying to reduce this cost and trying to get an energy efficiency mortgage as soon as you can. Because renewable energy can really help consumer in protecting their wallet, but also to increase the value of the property. If you move out your house from a G category, which is a common category for most of the European house, you can really have a jump on your property valuation between 8 to 10%. If you reach an A level, you will have a jump of the same value between 8 to 10% of your property. So on top of the cash back that you will get by having a reduction in the energy bill, you can even make a strong investment in a long-term investment in your house, in the most important investment of your life. That's why we should try to make this affordable for every single European citizen. Not only a rich lawyer with a nice Tesla parked in front of their house, but we have to make this affordable for workers, for normal public workers that they really want to improve their building capacity. We have around 220 million of dwellings in Europe that have to be renovated. So if we all do the same thing, we can really improve the quality of our cities and our towns. And also we can reduce the dependency to gas, that, for example, is one of the major reasons for the increase of the energy bill in the last quarter. So altogether, we can improve our life and make it better. How we can manage, as I said before, the complexity we have between European challenges, global challenges, and national challenges. We are trying at the European Mortgage Federation to build a new set of options that can help stakeholders to manage the challenges at global level, at European level, and national level. We are building national hubs. Our banks are actually organizing themselves, speaking at national level with the national authorities, trying to build a new, efficient way to manage energy efficiency and help citizens in making energy renovation. Because we know that the collaboration of banks with national authorities is very important, because you can get national subsidies to renovate your house, and on top of this you can get a favorable mortgages that can help you to make the rest, what is not covered by public support. So it's very important that we act together, because time is not on our side. We really need to make this happen very soon. And we have a clear commitment signed with the Paris Agreement, and this has been confirmed by the European Commission by the publication of the package Fit for 55, which is giving clear target to the European Union, and we need to reduce the emissions of 55% of what were the emissions in the 90s. It's a strong commitment for the European Union, and is not only affecting financial stakeholders, is affecting the entire value chain, builders, consumer, material production, and all the activities around the house. So we need to tackle this as an ecosystem. We have to build an ecosystem which will change our house. Let's don't forget that the word economy in Greek comes from two words, oikos and nomos, the rules around the house. So the concept of economy that we have to rebuild after this pandemic crisis can really be rebuilt around our effort to have a better place to live. And we all know how difficult it was to live together with our kids, with our families in our space. So if we improve the quality of the space where we live, I'm sure that we can improve the quality of our life and our family and the people living around us. We see house pricing changing in Europe. We see that houses with garden or more space are becoming more expensive because there is more demand. So let's help every single citizen to have a better house. We feel the responsibility, and we are trying to propose a methodological approach. We want to offer a new system to European banks to act together in facilitating and improving the reputation of the banking sectors by providing solutions to people. That is what we are trying to do here from Brussels, and working together with a lot of national hubs. We have national hubs in the Netherlands, in Denmark, in Sweden, in Germany, in Italy, in Belgium. So in Spain, every single country is trying really to find the right way to manage energy efficiency data, to manage the GDPR challenges, so to respect the privacy of the consumer, at the same time to work together with utilities to combine a green package which will create a multi-benefit for consumer, cheaper energy bill, cheaper mortgages, having a better deal on advice of what works have to be done in the house in order to improve the energy efficiency of the house. All this can be achievable by having an energy efficiency mortgages. If you are curious and if you want to see if a bank in your country is already delivering an energy efficiency mortgages, just have a look to our website where you have all the list of the banks granting energy efficiency mortgages. We are here really to help you. Please don't hesitate to come back to us. Let us know what you think and how we can help you. Because if we are able to satisfy your needs, your wishes, I'm sure that we can build a better financial environment and make sure that you as a consumer can receive the right loan from the mortgage lenders, and the mortgage lender can provide to the green investors a new kind of green cover bonds or green bonds. Please help us to make this happen and tell us what you need, because like this we can build a better future for us and for our next generation. That's what Europe wants to do. improve the quality of life of their citizens, and give always a new opportunity to build a better future without walls and without borders. Thank you very much for being with us, and I hope to see you all soon in person. Thank you very much.